Hello everyone, this is Shami from Rextheme. In this video, I will show you how you can set up image swatches to display product variations in an attractive way. So basically, I'll be changing the basic drop-down option into this for products with image variants. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to make sure that the drop-down to button swatch option is enabled in the controls menu of your plugin. So next, go to products and select attributes. So here you will find a list of variation attributes that you have already created in your store. Find the attribute for which you want to use image swatches and hover on the attribute's name and click on to edit. So once you edit it, it will take you to the edit attribute page. So below, look for the type field and select the option image. Now click on to update. Now go back to the attribute page. And here you can see the type for the attribute is selected as image. Next, on the right side of the attribute, you can see there is an option called configure terms. Click on it. So you will see that all the variant terms for these attributes are listed here. So hover your mouse on the first attribute and click on to edit. So once you are on the variant edit page, below you will see you have an option to choose the image. So this is the swatch image that will be displayed for the variant terms. So let's get back to the image attribute page. So you can see a swatch preview is here just beside the variant term. So do the same for the rest of the variants. So that's it. You have assigned the image swatches to the variation attribute. So for many variable product that has variation using this attribute, their variants will be displayed in the form of image swatches just like this. So as you can see, you will get a visual of image you choose from. And this is a great way to engage with buyers. And that's it for the video. So in the next video, I will show you how you can use label swatches to display product variations. So until then, take care.